It's phenomenal for all of us that have been working on this project for so long, because this is really what we're working for, and to see these trains begin to arrive is just so exciting.
When the train first arrived, tears welled up within me. All the sweat and tears that myself and my project team, as well as the construction team that I've had to get to this point, really was a dream realized.
Definitely a proud moment to have trains on site, and knowing where we started. The project team, we've all worked very hard in coordinating all the work and all the little nitty-gritty details.
Train travel is definitely the way we're going, and so to have something so new and innovative and fun and exciting, this project definitely has put itself out there more than anything else.
It spurs us on through that last 30% of the construction that we have to complete. This is definitely game-changing for all of the residents of Central Florida to have this new modality option in our state.